This is the demo of our database assignment about the bidding website. So first of all, our website have a function which is a login requirement. It makes the user to log in. It requires the user to log in order to access to our homepage. And in this case, is index.php. As you can see, when I input the index.php, it will automatically transfer me into a login page. We can log in with the email from a database. We choose this email, and we input the password to the homepage. The homepage will list out all of the product, the seller, the closing time, the highest bid, and the number of biddings in that items. But we will test the sell items function and the bidding function later. From now, we will use the search function. We searching slam. You see, it appears the result of slam is slam toy. We also have the function called short function. We can short the closing time descending. You can see it descending. Current bid price ascension. You can see it ascension or descending. Descending. Move on to the account. When we click into the account, it will show all the user information like full name, username, address, email, phone, country, and balance. We have a logout function, which we can log out to log in with a different account or log in with the phone numbers. We can use register in order to register for a different account. And we refresh the database. And as you can see, the new account that we just created appears in our database. Now we move to the admin. From this admin page, we have a logout function. We can click to save. See transaction. For the admin page, we have a logout function, which we can log out. The transaction disappear to have search. We can search for transaction ID or start date and date of the binding. Here it will display all of the bidding that appear on our website. We can click to see balance and we can see the specific balance inside of those accounts. When we click into the account, we can update balance. And we can update it to 100,000. When we refresh our data, you can see the balance of this account also changed to 100,000. Next one will be the sell product function and the buying function.
So to sell a product, first you go to sell product, type in the product name, type in the minimum price for bidding in Vietnam Dong, of course, and here you can choose the day that you want to close the bidding, 11:30. If you want to add additional detail about your products, you can click on the plus button. Here you can add the name of the attribute, for example, origin China, and then when to put it on sale, you click on sale, and the product will be put into the database, and you will be able to see the product in the home page right here. So I'm going to bid for the product. I'm going to use another account to bid for this product. So you have to go to home, and then you click on the product that you want to bid. Here you can see the seller, the number of bid placed, 0 means nobody has placed a bid, and the expected closing time. Here's the price, and you must enter a number that is either greater than or equal to the bidding price, and make sure you have enough money to bid. So here I'm just gonna add 1 and I'm going to bid for it. So you can see the bid place increased to 1 and the bidding price also increased. You go back here, you can see there. So the additional information about the product that was submitted by the seller will be registered in our MongoDB database. There, origin China.